Hello dear friends, today we are going to see some of the new features of Google Meet. Now as you know there are two types of Google Meet accounts. One is your general account, general Gmail, and one is Gmail suite. From that you can also have Google Meet. So today we will learn about the general Google Meet accounts. As you know, we have to log in through our Gmail account for creating a new Google Meet, or either you can go through the website googlemeet.com. So I will go through the Gmail, my Gmail account. So I will create a new Google Meet. So once I click on the new Meet, I get these options. So I will start a new meeting here. So new window has opened here. Okay, now here you can see the options. Turn off your microphone, turn off your camera. So from here I have turn off my camera. Okay, so all these features you know. First is your microphone, your camera, then CC, that is caption, turn on captions. If I click on that, whatever I speak, the captions you will see here. Next is the present now option. If I click on the present now, I get the three options. So earlier we used to have directly presentations. You can there was option to show the entire screen. Now you are having three options: a tab, a window, and your entire screen. So the best is you have to share a tab, or you can either use a window. Don't go for your entire screen because there is a chances of mirror imaging. So go for a window or a tab. So if I click on a tab, so I get the options. So these two tabs are open. So either you can select anyone and share it. So tab means your Google Chrome tab will be shared here. If I select a window, so window means there may be a PPT, there may be your Google Chrome, there may be anything, Word file, whatever you have selected. So these all will be available in a window option. So you can take any of the PPT or video, whatever you want to show, click on that and share it. So this is the new feature. Go for a window or a tab. Avoid going to the entire screen. Next one is, if you see the three dots, more options. If I click on that, I get these all options. First is whiteboard. So this is a good feature of Google Meet nowadays. So when I click on a whiteboard, so a new Jamboard will be open. So start a new whiteboard. If I click on this, start a new whiteboard. So I will get a new Jamboard here. A new Jamboard is open now. Earlier we had to go, it was not connected with the Google Meet. So now the option is available to open the Jamboard. Now as you know, Jamboard, this is collaborative in nature. Here you get the options. It is best for the math teachers. If I write, you can write a problem here 3 plus 2, and you can ask the child to answer that. So this Jamboard is also available with the child. So he can write it on this Jamboard. So here you can see a pen is there. You can write it. So you can ask your child to write the answer here. This Jamboard will be also available with the child. So it is collaborative in nature. So these are the options available with you. Pen is there, eraser is there, then sticky notes, you can add some notes here. So these are sticky notes will be here. Then you can insert any image. So whatever image is available. Suppose there is a if you have a PDF or a picture of a chapter, so that can be selected here and pasted here on the Jamboard. So here you get the, you can upload, you can use URL, camera. These are all the options available to select a file. Next you can draw any type of you can draw the shapes. You can insert a text box here. You can write anything in that. So these all options are available here. So this is laser. If you want to tick anything like this, or do this problem, so it will get vanish here. So this is laser, pen, eraser, sticky notes, image. You're inserting images. Here you can insert any type of image. If I click here on here, you will get the images here. Circle, you can take rectangle, square, triangle. All these images are available. Okay, so after that you can share it with the children. If you are having any worksheet also, you can paste the worksheet here. You can copy the image of the worksheet and keep it here, and you can solve that worksheet here. So this is the one more feature. So next is the change layout. If I click on the change layout, I get the options here: auto, tile, spotlight, slide bar. Earlier we used to see only few participants, few children. So now a new option is there, tiled. If I click on the tiled, okay, then here you can see there is a cursor here. You can increase the number of participants whom you want to see. The maximum is 49. So 49 children at a time you can see on your screen here. So move it, or you can down it. So increase, if you are here, maximum is 50. Then next is spotlight. So these all not required. Go for the tile so that you can see all the children. Next is change full screen. Change background. It is also old. You can change the background of your. These are the different options available. You can change the background. You can choose any. So this type the background is changed. There is one more option, that addition plus. So you can use any image. Suppose if I click on it, you can select any image which is available with you. So if I take any image, so this type of image we will get. So you can add any type of image here. Okay, I will go back. So captions, so these all options you have seen. Okay, new one is white Jamboard, then change layout, change background. One more thing here in settings. If you go to the settings, you will get audio setting. You can change the setting. If you have microphone, default, I think always you should keep the default one, default speakers, microphone, and this one. One more thing, that if you are having in video section, there are three options: auto, high definition, standard. So auto, or you can keep high if you are having good broadband connection. Okay, high speed connection is, if you are having, you can go for high definition. Okay, in both cases you can keep either high or standard or auto. So these are the general settings available. So go for high definition if you are having good Wi-Fi connection, good internet connectivity. So all these are available options. So here you can see meeting details are there, show everyone, chat everyone, activities. Activities means the Google Jamboard, this whiteboard. So uh, thank you very much. Today you explore it, and if you are having G Suite account, so one more session will take about G Suite account. Thank you very much.